What up, what up, what up? Welcome to Beauty School. This is Stylist John. I'm working on my weekly skincare regimen. There we go. Okay, so now I'm about to go on ahead and clean up my head, get my Michael Jordan back together, and then darken up my beard. Alright, so I'm going Michael Jordan bald, and I like the clean look because sweat just beads right off. And after I cut my hair bald, I'm going to go ahead and do my weekly skincare regimen. Fellas, it's good to take care of your skin. Why? Because you look younger longer. Your skin stays pliable. You get all the dirt and oils out of your skin. I like having clean skin. When I was younger, I had Nestle Crunch. I hated it because I had overactive oil glands. And when I played sports, I played like every sport you could think of: football, basketball, tennis, soccer, badminton, racquetball. I swam. I was captain of the swim team. I did every sport you could think of. And every sport, when I would sweat, all the dirt and oils would go to my face. Any hair products I had in my hair, and my face looked like a Nestle Crunch bar occasionally. And I had to put toothpaste on my bumps at night to pop them, and then remove the cord and then get the overactive oil gland not to produce so much oil. Then I found out about this product called Noxzema, and Noxzema changed literally the course of my skincare regimen. So fellas, it's good to take good care of yourself. Ain't nothing wrong with that. Ain't nothing sassy about it. It's good to take good care of your skin. Your lady gonna appreciate it, and you're gonna look younger longer. I recommend it for fellas that are working construction trades, that do a lot of dirty work. You work with chemicals and products, and stuff is splashing on your skin. You get dirt on your skin, or you working doing heavy labor. Athletes that do a lot of sweating. I recommend this service for you guys. You can get a 10 to 15 minute facial, or we'll also call a beard treatment, with an exfoliation beard treatment in addition to your haircut service. Okay, it's $50 for the skincare beard treatment. I'm gonna call it a skincare beard treatment for the fellas. Okay, ladies, it's called a facial. Okay, fellas, it's called a skincare beard treatment. Okay, we're gonna make sure that the beard is nice and steamed, and we're gonna make sure that the hairs around the face, all the pores, don't got no ingrown hairs in. I'll pluck and pull them out, and also make sure all the dirt and oils is out of the skin. Alright, head is pretty much clean. Now I'm about to do my facial regimen. Don't matter what profession you in, if you sweat, you got oil and dirt on your skin, it's good to have a skincare regimen to make sure you take good care of yourself. I recommend this service for athletes, any tradesman, plumber, pipe fitter, electrician, construction, housing rehabilitation, foremen. You drive trucks, dump trucks, any profession where you sweat, athletes, any athlete, basketball, football, swimming, tennis, volleyball, track and field. When you come and get your hair cut, this service that I'm doing right here is an additional $50. It's called skin and beard treatment. I will pull out your ingrown hairs, make sure that you don't have no bumps, squeeze any bumps, pop the bumps, get the pustules out, do a deep cleanse, exfoliation on the skin, make sure that's clean. Hot towel service is a short additional service add on to your haircut. Okay, haircut services mainly start at about 20 to 30 minutes. I can get a good haircut done in about 15 minutes. I spend 20, 30 minutes because I'm a little OCD to make sure everything is clean and neat. Okay, young men's haircuts are $25. Men's haircuts start at $40. That includes razor line enhancements. The elite service, the MVP, is shampoo, hot towel, haircut, beard trim, razor line enhancement. That's $50. The elite service is shampoo, hot towel, steam facial, haircut, beard trim, razor line enhancement, and that's $100. Okay, the elite service, top of the line service, I recommend that for CEOs, bosses. You stand up on your feet all day, your muscles hurt when you come home, you need 10 to 15 minutes of relief on your muscles, your shoulders, neck, and back. I got you, no problem. That's the elite service. Okay, book me online, www.stylistjohn.com, 314-359-5499. I do accept walk-ins, and your business is definitely appreciated. Alright, hot towel to soothe the face. So much better. It is good to take a nice load off whenever you are on your feet all day and make sure that you are cared for. It's a very manly thing to do to make sure that you are taking good care of yourself. You take care of people every day, but how you gonna take care of everybody else if you ain't taking good care of yourself? You gotta take good care of yourself every day. Make sure you eat good, healthy, fill your body with vitamins and nutrients. Make sure that you take good care of your body, exercise and fitness, and also make sure that your haircut Face is trimmed and neat. Every day, every week. If you are a parent, or if you are a father, or you would like to have more than one haircut per month, I recommend joining the Elite Barbers membership. What's the Elite Barbers membership? The Elite Barbers membership is a custom tailored package to meet your weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly budget. It starts off with a shampoo and a hot towel facial, haircut, razor line, beard trim, and depending on which package you get, you're going to get the steam treatment and 10% off of products. VIP treatment. Packages start off at bronze, gold, bronze, silver, gold, diamond, and platinum packages to meet your monthly budget. Don't let another day when you in the barbershop waiting on those long lines. Join the Elite Barbers membership today and get your custom tailored package to meet your lifestyle and your budget. I'm Stylist John. Book me online, www.stylistjohn.com, 314-359-5499. I can get you fly.